Magnifier is an inbuilt tool of Windows, which is used to enlarge the items on the screen. Let's see how to change percentage of zooming level and magnifier on Windows 10. Press Windows key, plus key, to turn on magnifier. Click on the options icon, present next to views in the magnifier. Drag the slider to change the percentage of zooming level. Click on OK. Now, percentage of zooming level has changed. To check out more tech videos, click here. To subscribe GuruAid channel, click here. For instant tech support, call GuruAid toll-free numbers